The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 28 Al-Qasas, verse 24 of the Holy Quran.
So he watered their flocks for them, then he went back to the shade.
This great event indicates some important characteristics which Muslims should adopt. The first is that a Muslim should always take every opportunity to help others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. They should not belittle righteous deeds by believing Allah, the Exalted, only desires Muslims to perform big righteous deeds. This negative attitude is a trick of the devil which Muslims must avoid. Every righteous deed is significant according to the teachings of Islam. For example, a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342, advises that Allah, the Exalted, will give a reward the size of a mountain to the one who donates even a single date fruit for his pleasure. There are many other narrations indicating the significance of small deeds. Even the Holy Quran has made it clear that every atom's worth of good will be recorded and rewarded. Chapter 99 Az-Zalala, verse 7.
So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it.
Muslims should follow in the footsteps of the Holy Prophet Mosa, peace be upon him, and help others according to their means. At the time he possessed nothing else to offer the women except his physical strength, so he used it in order to help them, instead of disregarding the deed, believing it was a small and insignificant deed. In addition, this great event proves the significance of small good deeds, as this deed led to him meeting and living with the Holy Prophet Shoaib, peace be upon him. The other good characteristic indicated in this great event is sincerity. The Holy Prophet Mosa, peace be upon him, was in a desperate condition, yet did not desire or request payment from the women, as he acted for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. Muslims should never desire or request payback for the favors they do to others, as this proves their insincerity, meaning they did not act for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. Insincerity only wastes the reward one could have gained from Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.